because you spent all that time, money to get it, and then it's not right.
Like a gang of money between them and Verizon.
Yeah. Well, this hobby will do that to you.
Yeah. But that's all right, though. Great hobby.
The 70 I like even more than the...
Yeah, I'll fly the 80 after this.
Well, he's got a nicer motor in that, but wait till you see that thing. It's got hella power.
Throttle cut. Normal mode.
I always gotta make sure, dude, I don't have that stupid safe thing.
Oh, you didn't turn it off?
No, because you need to arm it to get the most out of the rudder.
Oh, okay.
If you don't arm it, you get like hella little rudders.
It barely gives you anything.
Yeah, it sucks.
If I get that plane again, I'm not using that receiver.
Yeah, I figured that.
Because it limits your throw and everything.
Yeah, it's not that.
And there's built-in expo too.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Why is it twisting over like that? What are you doing, man? Is the wheel loose? No, you're downhill. Yeah, you're at a weird angle, that's all.
Just to show you how lazy I am. So look how much left
Jesus, that's the whole freaking thing.
Just to be centered on it.
Throttle cut. Normal mode.
Yeah, I can't even turn left. I need to fix that. That's my left. Okay.
After this flight.
If I can make it. Fuck, come on, man. I can only go right.
I think you'll get it. Just go slow. You'll get it. It'll turn. Just barely. Just barely. You go first because I don't want you to run out of steering.
Okay.
China cleared.
Line up over here. There we go.
So go ahead. Go ahead and go. I'll go behind you.
Gear up.
Damn, this shit's hella bright.
Look at how bright that's for.
This shit's hella bright. He gave me the old school one. That's his.
It was one of my testers.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Well, that's lucky that
That thing's way better with that setup.
It is, huh?
Yeah.
Compared to the stock?
Way better, because I'm having a hard time keeping up.
Nah, your shit's bastard.
I didn't get a jump, so there we go. Now I'm on you.
But it is better.
It was harder to catch you.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
It is fucking pretty damn good.
That's way better than before, yeah.
We'll line up in a second. I'm just gonna
I know you were. I'm trying to.
flown here so long after that, too. Wow, look at all that. Goofy foot, yeah, exactly. There we go. They're going up. Right, yeah. You're crazy. You have this one too? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna follow you right now.
Do a big loop right over the middle of the runway here. So I'm going to start right now. You got a bigger loop on that one. That was nice.
Big one, huh?
Yeah. That thing, that little motor. Wow, we're in the fog. That little, that motor was a good.
It's pretty damn sweet, dude.
That was a good increase.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It's funny how yours looks like a double when it has the two tails.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's like you don't need double.
Don't need them.
What the fuck's the point?
I mean, they're cool if you want more light, but you're giving something up.
Giving a lot up.
Yeah. I'll be closest to us on this pass.
Okay.
Let's go slow.
Oh, let's do a Harrier on the next one. I actually haven't flown this thing forever, dude.
You haven't?
It's a fucking sweet little model.
It is, and then maybe it's good that you haven't, because now you enjoy it more.
Yeah, because otherwise you take it for granted.
Yeah.
Kind of bored. All right, let's do a Harrier.
Go ahead. I can't go crazy slow with this one, but I'll get closest to us. This one will stall pretty bad. So I'm going to do gear down and come in.
Down. Take off flat. Landing flat. 10, 9, 8.
Yeah, that's the cool thing about the gyro in that.
I know.
3,
Look at that.
1. Time expired.
Like see the guys in the promotional video
Oh, yeah.
that are just following each other around.
Right.
Like, it's like that's so cool.
Nice.
Flaps up.
I'll land early.
Okay, come on in. I'm all the way to the left, closest to us. There you go.
Nice little model.
Yeah, you didn't see it, but I stalled it
You
when
did?
I was climbing, and it started rolling, so I just rolled with it. Kept going.
No left turn, man.
It
You
kept,
have to do that.
I meant to, yeah, it looked like I meant to do it.
Oh, so you caught it.
Yeah,
Nice.
because it was going up like
That's
this.
one of those things that only you know.
Right, I'm telling you my secret. Because it came down, the nose pointed down and it was rolling, so I'm like, okay, I'll just go with it.